Hi, I'm Mrs. Corcoran from the Richard Byrd Library of Fairfax County Public Libraries. And today I have a fun experiment to show you about mixing colors. But first I want to ask you 3 questions. What color do you get when you mix yellow and red? Orange, that's right, very good. Now second question is, what color do you get when you mix yellow and blue? It's green, that's right. And what color do you get when you mix red and blue? Purple, very good. So today we're going to be using an ice tray, food coloring, water, and 3 glasses that are clear so that you can see through them as the ice melts. It's going to take a little prep work, so you're going to want to freeze your ice and your colored water, maybe take a couple of hours or overnight, and then you're ready to do your experiment. All right, let's put our ice in. I have water in the glasses, so I'm going to put a blue and a red. What's in the middle? Yellow? A yellow. Come on, come on, come on. Yellow and blue. And a red and a yellow. Let's watch and see what colors we get. And give a little bit of mixing. Can you see the colors are already mixing? If you made some predictions before you started your experiment, you could guess what colors they would be, how bright or how dark. Depends on how many drops of food coloring you use in your ice. But can you see that? Red and yellow make orange. Yellow and blue mix together to make green. And red and blue mix together to make purple. Have fun with your experiment. How's the ice doing? Is it still melting? Almost there. Thanks for joining me today.